Hi, I'm croSStitch, and today I'm gonna show you how to convert PDF files containing cross-stitch patterns to EXD files. As far as I'm concerned, PDF files are under copyright law. Modifying or converting a PDF file of a cross-stitch pattern is punishable as long as you resell it or give it away for free or distributing. I believe modifying for your own use isn't illegal since no one knows about your conversion to EXD, and I believe you are not gonna turn yourself. That being said, I did this tutorial for helping my fellow friends cross-stitchers who need the EXD version of a cross-stitch pattern for their own use while cross-stitching in their favorite app. I do not encourage copyright infringement, and I am not responsible if you are entering the copyright infringement area, since this is a tutorial for demonstration purpose only, in which you are gonna learn to convert only for your own use. In order to do our conversion, we need some free software, and we are gonna download that. We need STDU Viewer, VS Helper, Virtual Stitch, a free web page, and Pattern Maker for cross-stitch. The only software that needs a paid license is Pattern Maker for cross-stitch. You can buy the standard level for $60 or the professional version with $120, but I recently discovered that on Amazon.com there is only $78, the professional version. STDU Viewer, we have download free portable STDU Viewer. I choose to download this free portable version. Click. Save it on the desktop. This is a WinRAR zip archive. Enter XSD, access sunstitch.in.ua. This page is a Russian page, but using Google Chrome and right-clicking anywhere in the page, you can choose Translate to English. Then, in the upper right section, you can see here a register button. I am already logged in. You can free register by translating the page in English and follow the free steps. After you are logged in the left section, you can see VS Helper. Click on it, translate it to English, and see the download link. Click on it. Save it on the desktop. Also, Virtual Stitch 4 Beta, translate to English, download link, save it on the desktop, and that's it. Right click on the STDU Viewer, choose Extra to STDU Viewer. You will get a folder. Access the folder. Search for this icon, STDU Viewer app. Right click on it, send to desktop create shortcut. OK. Do not remove the folder from the desktop. Since this is a portable version, you need it there. Let's do the same for the VS Helper. Extract here, and this is also a portable version. You can open it. Yeah, it's in Russian. It's very easy to use. Do not be afraid. Virtual Stitch, extract here. This folder that comes with the Virtual Stitch software contains two other folders. This is an example in which you are taught to transform a PNG design to EXD file. This other folder teaches you how to transform a PDF into a EXD file. Today I will not use these two examples. Let's install Virtual Stitch. Next, I agree. Next, create desktop icon. Install. uncheck this, launch Virtual Stitch. It is possible that for the first time when you are installing Virtual Stitch, you will see it displayed in Russian. In the upper right corner, you will see there is available English version also. I have this cross-stitch pattern called Moon Girl. It's a PDF file. As you see, it's full of symbols. We have here some information, and we are gonna convert this PDF file into a XSD project. Let's take some important notes. This size in stitches is very important. 150 by 198. Rename 150 by 198, I guess. We have to count the symbols from the very first page. 10, 20, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 77 by 101. Rename 77 by 101. Also, we need to count how many colors are used. 2, 4, 6, 16, 32. Rename 32 colors. Let's open the next free web page. Online to pdf.com. Click on Select Files button. Load the PDF. Click this little yellow wand. Choose only the page or the pages where the key symbols are located. In this case, the page 5, not this one, the quantities, just this one where the symbol and the DMC code is listed. Click Done. In this page, choose Convert to Excel, No, and Convert. Let's save it on desktop and let's call this Key Unclean. You will see why in a moment. Let's open it with Excel if you have it, or LibreOffice Calc or OpenOffice that opens spreadsheets. I choose Excel because it's really fast. I will delete those lines, this line, also the name of the thread, delete. Even the name, I'm gonna delete it. All I need is the symbol column and the DMC code column. As you see, there are 32. Let's copy those columns. Copy. And let's open a notepad file. Notepad. Paste. Then File. Save as. Choose here, delete the asterisk, choose Key Clean or Key Final, and the encoding area should be Unicode. Save. You can close this. You can save this. In the next step is to open our Moon Girl in the STDU viewer. Let's count how many pages with symbols are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 pages. Then go to File, Export, Export to Text, click Pages, 1, 2, 4, and file path should be called Chart. Okay. And we have the chart. As you see, this file contains the footer, the header with page number 1 with columns. I call these artifacts. These columns are the parts that are repeated. This is not a workable file. VS Helper is gonna clean it for us. Open VS Helper and right here the dimension 150 by 198, and here the number of the symbols on the first page. 1 is for first page, 77 by 101. Click this button, point to the chart, open. This is a warning for everything it's okay. Okay. As you see, the file is cleaned from artifacts. I'm not gonna close VS Helper because it's very useful to me to have it open. Open Virtual Stitch. PDF, page order by rows, fluff name DMC. Let's uncheck this one. Leave this one checked. Leave this one checked because there is a 3-stitch overlap with 150 by 198 and the first page is 77 by 101. Click the first button. There is a crayon button. Point it to the key clean file. Open, and you can see here is an error. Error while palette processing. Check if the data in palette file are correct. In the upper right area we can see row 23, 24 and 25. The color 0002 is not found in the palette DMC. Great, we are gonna correct that. Let's open the key clean file. Key clean, open. Yeah, so these 3 colors are new colors, but in the file I had, the number is wrong. So the correct version is 02, 04 and 07. As you see here, we already had 09. File, save, close it, click OK, load the file again, key clean, and everything is correct. Go to this colored button, point to the chart result file, open. We can see now that we have the image of the chart. Click on this green button, save it on the desktop, give it the name Moon Girl in my case, leave everything checked and click save. The results file saved successfully. Okay, we can close this now. I'm gonna leave this open. Okay, so now we have some temporary files. I'm gonna put them in a place. Here is one. Okay, open pattern maker for croSStitch. I like file and use interactive importing to be checked. Click this red button, then browse to the desktop and enable here from the bottom right all types. From the list we see, we have to choose Moon Girl Temp. Open. Size 150 by 198. Stitch size, we can put whatever we want, let's say 22. Colors, DMC. Put this to maximum, click on advanced. Dithering method should be none. Uncheck the auto select symbols after importing. OK, use the colors in this palette file. Click, browse, and point to Moon Girl Temp. Open, import, close, then palette menu, open palette, choose moongirl.pal, and here it is. We have obtained the XSD file, fully workable. Of course, now we have to do something more. Let's double click this, go to symbols, and choose whatever symbols you want. You can even change the symbols, because these symbols here are not the same from these symbols here. And don't forget to save your file. After you have saved your file, you can delete all the files you used before.